Hello everyone, I wanted to show you next our case study from our agency. Just want to remind you, we're doing e-commerce services. We driving traffic, driving sales to e-commerce business using funnels, using paid ads, using CPC, other things what can improve the business, can improve the value, can improve revenue, other things. It's important what we're doing for our buddies, our clients. And I want to show you one of the case study using Google Ads for our Ukrainian business, also in Poland. So it's business working in Europe. So I wanted to show you the business which work in Ukraine, but we scaling this business in Europe, Poland, Germany, etc. And I wanted to show you the growth like 183%. It's awesome growth in just few months in conversions, in value. So the start point when we started, you can see before, you can see zero data here. It's a period when we just started, and you can see how we started and before. So let's see. At start point, we had 16,000 in spend in zlotys. Sorry, in zlotys. It's not in dollars. 3.0 return on ad spend and 425 conversions. So it's a start point. After first months, we achieved 3.3 return on ad spend. We spent almost 37k in Poland zlotys, and we made 1,130 conversions in sales. Next month, we done almost like 3 return on ad spend. We made more volume of spend, more volume of sales during this month. It's not a good month, good period for the business. It's not a season. For them, this is a big season. For them, it's Q4, Q1, when it's cold and people want to draw, to use this product. So after this, I want to show you what about this, what about the client information. But yeah, this is a client, Brush Meets Leading Europe retailer, manufacturer of paint by number kits. So it's art products. It's really good products, high competitive product. A lot of other businesses selling this product. It's not unique, it's not something which technological. No, it's simple product. So main task for us, we had first increase profitability of key products to get more margin from these products. The second is to optimize feeds, merchant feeds, optimize PMAX campaigns and campaign targeting. And this last one is to scale using our margin. So to see what margin on each product and what product we need to scale. Challenge number one is to increase profitability from high margin products. So the goal is to increase profitability and ensure that ad spend contributes directly to net profit. So we need to see like when we spend money, what is given in return on ad spend and what is given in profit. So it's important to have understanding which SKU driving the profit, not just return on ad spend, because return on ad spend can be 5, but revenue can be 0 and profit can be 0. If we remove the operational costs, if we remove like product costs, salaries of the businesses, salaries of the employees, so it will be 0 or minus, so you always need to know like what's the margin from each SKU you're getting right now. And the solution, we calculated individual target return on ad spend of each product based on average order value. So we see that we need to increase first average order value to make sure we in good mood of the health business. We need to group products in 3 groups: high margin, middle margin, and low margin products. So we need to see, okay, if we have high margin products, we need to put more spend on this. Middle margin, we need to put less spend, and low margin to put less spend on this. And shifted our budget focus on high margin products. So we've done this. So it helped us to grow and see that business getting profit. So as a result, profitability of ad spend improved significantly. Campaigns became sustainable even with rising cost per click in Google. So cost per click is important metric in Google. We buy on clicks, not reach, and impressions. Challenge number 2 is to optimize feed and campaign targeting. So the main problem of businesses in e-commerce is working with the feed. So they don't have optimized feeds. They're not working with descriptions, titles of the products, images, videos of the products. So that's why they're losing money, losing profits on products. So our goal to direct spend toward products that bring in both profit and conversions, not just clicks. So it's important to make sure our cost per acquisition lower and the conversion rate of the website product pages growing. It's important significantly. So we just added custom labels to the feed, margin, category, sales velocity. We used those labels to filter and prioritize the products. Which products we need to put in our Google Ads account, it's important. Automatically we exclude low margin SKUs. We use them using them to cross-sell, upsell on cart checkouts right now, and also email sequences, other funnels for people which we lead it by high margin products, So we're using this way to promote, or using our customer base, we're also promoting these low margin products. So we're trying to not spend a lot of budget to these low margin products. Results budget allocation became like data driven, reducing wasted spend and improving return per click, and also return per session of the potential client. So channel number 3 is scale while maintaining efficiency. So our goal is to make sure we have 3.0 return on ad spend and scale the amount of sales. So we need to make sure we're in the same level, but we're getting more conversions. So yeah, solution were built structured by product category, geographic and audience type, separated branded, generic and competitor search campaigns, and implement automatic bidding, like example target ROAS, what we want to get, and target CPA, what we want to get from these campaigns. Okay, the results, we scaled campaigns up to 2-3x without increasing cost per lead, cost per sale, cost per acquisition, must say, and maintained the return on ad spend above target levels. So we in a good condition right now. So after first optimization, we increased our conversions up to 173%. We increased our conversion value up to 155%, and our return on ad spend increased by 9.2%. So it's really awesome results, I guess. You can tell me in the comments what do you think. So we increased our PMAX campaign. We increased 183% in conversions. We increased 7% in return on ad spend. It's based on previous data, and we increased 161% in revenue. So we got like in 1 month we got like 76K in sales. So I think it's good, and we still grow in 2025, expanding in Poland and other countries. And in search campaigns, you can see it's return on ad spend in brand campaigns as usual. It's big, but in general not good, I guess. So we're just trying to get in sales to make sure we're in the same level of return on ad spend right now. So we compare June and July. You can see in graphics that we had more clicks, more conversions, a little more return on ad spend, and also we got more spend. So for us, the biggest thing is to get more sales, not as return on ad spend. So we need volume. So we compare June and July and August. You can see the difference in return on ad spend as the same difference and the spend. So the biggest goal, the biggest issue what they had before, is to scale in the same return on ad spend. So they had 307%, so we scaled up to 331% of return on ad spend. But we doubled the budget in next month, and it's really awesome results. So we achieved this goal for our client. I'm happy with this, he happy with this, all happy with this, our team happy with this. So if you need some solution, what help your business to scale your return on ad spend, scale your revenue with us, we can help you using our strategy call. We will take a look through the paid ads, we'll look through your CPC, through your website funnels, etc. And we will see like what solution we can show you, what we can implement in your business. So just leave appointment, leave application under this video, and we can talk on call. Just 30-40 minutes. This can change your life, can change your business. Thank you for watching this video.